should happen.
You are live?
Yeah, we are live. Bhavna, we are ready. We are live.
Okay. Hi.
Okay. Yeah, we are live.
Yes.
Hello everyone. So today we have here Bhavna Sonavne. Bhavna is an artist basically. She is into a kind of more of painting and installation. So she practices various art forms, and I know her through my Facebook friends list. And I have been always seeing a very interesting work of her. She's been displaying through her simple posts, and I saw her paintings and they were really amazing. Then I happened to see her post on Kala Ghoda when she was practicing. She was putting up her installation art there. So a lot of interesting things I see her keep doing. And then now I see her, she's doing puppets also, and that's not her profession. She's doing it for her child as a hobby, and she has done some nice Indian puppets. So there are various things which Bhavna does. So today we may not talk about one proper thing or one proper handicraft, but we will today talk about different type of arts which are practiced by Bhavna. So uh, I think now you can see her. Hi Bhavna.
Hi, Gitanjali. How are you?
I'm good. So Bhavna, thank you for coming to this Handmade 12 series. And now we would like to start talking to you. So basically just tell us about your journey, how you started your work, what since your childhood a little bit, and then we go ahead to your work.
Okay. As a child, I used to like handicrafts a lot. I like to I used to like a kind of jewelry, handmade jewelry of clay. Sometimes I used to work on wood also. After our carpentry done at the home, few pieces if it were remaining of the wood and all, and I used to just clear it all with the sharp edges. I used to color it, then put some type of string at the back and make an earring and so on. I used to do it. Maybe from my dad's inspiration. He was a lecturer in a my both of my parents are from the science stream, and they both were interested in art, but at the same time they wanted me to join the science field. And also they were lecturer in they are retired professors in science stream, and from the science stream. And my father was a zoology lecturer, and because of him I could connect to the nature more. And we used to travel to the RA colony. We used to stay over there near the RA colony, just 15 minutes drive maybe. And every Sunday we had a ride on the scooter, four of us, with my younger brother also. And we used to ride to the RA colony, sometimes to the few hilly regions are very much over there. And that way, and also I have traveled through to the native places also on scooters in when I was young, and later on with my husband on bike. I have traveled a few parts of India, from Mumbai till Leh and all. So all this normally comes into my paintings also.
Okay.
And because my father liked to paint, he used to do landscapes and all. I used to see, and तिथेच कुठेतरी मला असं आर्ट बद्दल आवडायला लागलं, काम करावं असं वाटायला लागलं. त्याच्यानंतर नेचर होतच, त्याच्यामुळे मी त्यातून जास्त इन्स्पायर झाले. आणि लहानपणापासून कुठे ना कुठेतरी फिरत राहणं हे होतं आमचं. सॉरी I would talk in English, Marathi, sometimes
That's fine.
Hindi
That's
also.
fine. I think a lot of them will
Normally,
understand. That's not a problem. We can have a
okay.
mixed language. So that was your childhood. Then what is the education you pursued and how you exactly came into this?
Uh, since 20 years, I'm into this field, and earlier I completed my art education in 2001. I did a diploma in art education also. So I taught for as a lecturer in an art institute in Mumbai for 2 years. Later on, I continued with my paintings only for maybe 8 to 10 years. After that, I started feeling boring only to paint. Then I tried to learn metals, enameling. Later on, again, I had my own furnace. I used to work in metal on experimental level into enamel
Was
and
it more of
reposes.
enameling?
Hmm?
Was it more of enameling experiments on?
Yes, more of enameling, less of repose, more
Okay.
of enameling. And with that, because I had my own furnace, I thought
Okay.
I should try to do a little bit of ceramics. Then I joined 2 3 workshops also, and like from Sandeep Manchekar, I got a few ideas, or from workshops or guidance also. And that time, even my father start after his retirement, he started doing ceramics. So sometimes he gave me some guidelines on this. So ceramic is not my material, I would say, but once a while, maybe once or twice in a year, I like to work in it, in that medium. And I write since my college days. Few
Okay.
of my um, so writing also is a part of my hobby, or maybe if I feel, I write. Sometimes I don't, um, because the the paintings I work on are on specific subjects with a specific type of expression. Of It's of more of love, it's more of joy, it's more of positivity. But what I see when going through the Indian villages, Indian females, meeting the Indian females, I feel much of their life should be changed and all. So that does not come into my paintings, but I take it into my writing. So my writings are a bit different from my paintings. My writings are more towards originality, or realistic, and little bit of fantasies. But my paintings are more of fantasies and little bit of realities.
That's interesting. The shift is also very interesting. Now, Bhavana, I think the phones are horizontal. If you want to this thing horizontal, so we can see your craft also. Now, I would like you to show everyone what you do as a craft and what you the puppets you make or different ceramic things you make, and you explain them also. You can use phone horizontally, vertically, anyhow, and that is
Horizontal is not possible
then
for
it's
me.
okay. Leave it that way. Leave it this way.
Uh,
It's okay.
okay,
असं
I'll just, मी ना हे असं घेऊ शकते. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Good. Oh yeah, this
तर
is
हे
nice.
काही वर्क्स आहेत.
हा
नॉट
थोडी
ऑल ऑफ देम आर माइन. काय झालं?
ओके थोडस स्क्रीनच्या जवळ आणून तू त्यांना एक एक गोष्ट दाखवून एक्सप्लेन केलीस तर कशी बनवली
येस.
काय केलंयस.
बरं, मी लहानपणापासून डॉल्स बनवायची. माझ्या आईने कधीतरी मला दाखवलं असावं हे. त्याच्यानंतर थोडस आमच्या शेजारी एक ताई होती राहायला,
ओके
आणि तिने काही पपेट्स बनवले होते. आणि फेसेस जे आहेत, ऐकायला येतंय का सगळ्यांना? कॅन यू हिअर मी ऑल?
या वी कॅन हिअर यू.
ते सगळीकडे मिळत नाहीत. मुंबईमध्ये फार कमी मिळायचे. दादरला एक दुकान आहे, सौभाग्य वस्तू भांडार, हे नंतर कळालं. पण त्याआधी ह्या गोष्टी पुणा, सोलापूर, कोल्हापूर अशा ठिकाणी काही स्पेसिफिक दुकानांमध्ये ह्यांचे चेहरे मिळायचे. आणि त्याच्या आधी ते जयपूर वगैरे साईडला मिळायचे. आमच्या जे शेजारी जी मुलगी ताई होती, तिचे वडील एम.आर. आचरेकरांकडे ऍज अन आर्टिस्ट होते, आणि त्यांनी असं काही कामानिमित्त फिरताना त्यांना मोठमोठे 1.5-2 इंचाचे फेसेस ते घेऊन आले होते. मग त्या ताईनी डॉल्स बनवलेल्या, तिच्याकडनं थोडीशी शिकले. आणि ही खूप जुनी डॉल आहे
Okay.
आणि ही माझी फेवरेट आहे. ही माझ्याच लग्नामधली रुखवताची डॉल आहे.
Ha.
आणि ही बनवायला जवळ-जवळ मी तयारीसाठी 15-20 दिवस घेतले. कारण स्लो चाललं होतं फार काम ते आणि खूप दिवस लागले. म्हणजे त्याची नथ सुद्धा मी बनवलेली. ती पूर्वीची नथ तुटली म्हणून ही वरून चिकटवली आहे. पण त्याला आधीच जे होतं ते नाकाला होल होता. हे गंगावन आपल्याकडे सिंथेटिक जे गंगावन मिळतं ते इथे विणून बसवलेलं आहे. वेगळं बनवून ते शिवून आणि मग इथे बनवून मग ते केस मोकळे होते. त्याचा आंबोडा घालून तो असा केला गेलेला आहे. गजऱ्यासाठी कपडा फोल्ड करून ऑर्गंडीचा कपडा जो असतो तो ऑरेंज कलरचा तो फोल्ड करून बनवला आहे. मग हे जे हात आणि पाय आहेत ते समथिंग लाइक अ पिलो
Okay.
तसं शिवून आतमध्ये कापूस भरून ही अख्खी बॉडी बनवली जाते. हा फेस नॉर्मली क्लेचा आहे.
Okay.
प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिस किंवा क्ले असावं. अँड हे बांगड्या त्या ह्याच्यात येतात ना पूर्वीच्या तुळशीच्या लग्नामध्ये वगैरे
Right.
वापरले जायच्या तशा.
Yeah.
त्या बांगड्या घुसवून बसवल्या आहेत आणि ही अख्खी बॉडी त्या पिलो स्टाईल मध्ये केली जाते. टॉर्सो, हँड्स, लेग्स वेगवेगळं करून स्टँड वरती लावलंय तो मी चिकटवून.
Okay.
त्याचं मंगळसूत्रासाठी पण बारीक बारीक मणी मोठं होतं ते तुटलं. नंतर मी ड्रेस पण तिचा चेंज केला होता.
Okay.
आणि ह्याच्या विरुद्ध खूप सोपी बाहुली तर ही अक्षरशः 15-20 मिनिटात बनणारी आहे.
ह्याच्यामध्ये फेस यू मेड ॲट होम युअरसेल्फ आय थिंक.
हा, इट्स मेड बाय मी ॲट होम.
ओके.
कॉटनचा गोळा घ्यायचा, तो कपड्यामध्ये कव्हर करून खाली रबर बँड लावता येईल किंवा बाय टाईट विथ दिस थिंग थ्रेड अँड देन धाव धागा असतो ना, धाव दोरा म्हणतात,
राईट राईट.
तशा पद्धतीचं कपड्यावरती घेऊन मग ते स्ट्रिंग्स असे जवळ घेऊन तो चुरगळून त्याला जस्ट तो रोल केलाय मी हा ड्रेस. अँड दिस इज सारी बॉर्डर, शालू बॉर्डर आहे ही. हे धागे आहेत मोठे मोठे, हे सुद्धा मी शिवलेले आहेत.
ओके.
दिस इज व्हेरी इझी पपेट. आणि ह्याच्या हातासाठी ना आतमध्ये पेन्सिल आहे. पेन्सिलला मी रोल करून तो तसाच मागे लावलेला आहे. व्हेरी इझी टू मेक बाय किड्स ऑल्सो. हे रेडीमेड होती, कुठून तरी एक्झिबिशन मधून घेतलेली पर्स, ती जॉईन केली आहे आम्ही तिला.
इट्स व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल.
त्याच्या आधी फिंगर पपेट्स आम्ही 1-2 व्हिडिओज केले होते.
ओके.
दीज आर जस्ट टू स्टार्ट. मोआना जी आपल्याकडे कॅरेक्टर आहे, सध्याचं आवडतं कॅरेक्टर होत आहे ते, व्हेरी डिफरंट दॅन बाबी. तर ते आम्ही ड्रॉइंग केलेले आहेत. दीज आर द पेपर्स, दीज आर फिंगर पपेट्स. हे असं आहे.
ओके. ओके.
सो दिस इज 5 to 6 minutes जॉब. ह्याच्यात माझी बोटं जात नाहीयेत, माझ्या छोटीची जातात. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो हे होल्स मोठे पाहिजेत माझ्या बोटांसाठी. सो दिस इज द माऊली अँड दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ पपेट, इझी. तशीच ही एक आहे, ही सुद्धा बॉर्डर, सारी बॉर्डरनी केलेली आहे. सेम टाइप. इथे मणी लावले डोळ्यांसाठी, मणी आहेत. हे मणीने तो कलर छान राहतो, छान दिसतो. हॅलो, कॅन यू हिअर मी?
आय एम हिअरिंग यू. आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग मच कारण बिकॉज इट रिप्लेसेस टू माय स्क्रिप्ट. So I want you to show them more what you are doing. So I am not talking much.
This is not the hair. This is just black colored cotton lace. So it looks like hair if you see it.
So what are the other things you were saying? They are not made by you, but you found them interesting.
Okay.
You are trying to show them here.
This is from Italy maybe. So outside we have porcelain faces, porcelain dolls. आपल्याकडे कमी मिळतात, पण आपल्याकडे ना आता nowadays we are getting this. It's very easy to get dolls from the market. We get at very cheap cost also. Sometimes the faces are weird, sometimes they are sweet, whatever. But nowadays it's more of rubber and plastic.
Right.
Less fiber also. But what I feel is someone should start with these things also, because these are आपल्या मातीतून आल्यासारखं असं मला वाटतं हे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल दिस इज फ्रॉम इटली और समवेअर. माय sister-in-law had bought it for me.
Nice.
This Joker is a fiber fiber face, and it's nicely carved. This is not only the cast. I can just see the markings, face marks over here, like the wood. Cutting केल्यानंतर कसं होतं ना,
Okay.
तसं आहे हे. This is the tribal Gond art. I got it from an exhibition from Dakshina Chitra, near the Mamallapuram route. So this is wood. This is very lightweight wood, and this is from the Gond community, tribal form of things.
खूप सुंदर आहे त्या.
खूप सुंदर आहे हे. माझं फेवरेट आहे. And this is from Paris. पॅरिसला असताना मी एक डॉल म्युझियम विजिट केलेलं. So in that doll museum, what I saw was, till then I was actually not interested much about these things. This was my hobby, but I did not take it seriously before that. After visiting that museum, what I saw over there, the artist, the main artist of that museum, I don't remember the name and all, but I saw his children and grandchildren's photographs, and with that, their dolls. It means if a specific charactered girl is there, the doll bears that same characters of that girl.
Okay.
So that I felt very interesting.
Okay.
And this is a porcelain doll. We get in plastic 20-30 rupees mein idhar in Mumbai also. But this is actually a porcelain doll, and that cheap dolls nowadays we are getting here, it's the origin is this.
It's not breakable or something, like the material doesn't make it delicate.
Yes, it's delicate.
Okay.
This is around 13 years old doll, but it's mostly into my cupboards. I don't remove it in front of my kids.
Right.
We four of us have a very good collection of toys, and everyone has own collection of toys, and everyone respects that. So माझ्या मुलीकडे पण तेवढे आहेत, माझ्या नवऱ्याला पण आवडतात, कार्स कलेक्ट करायला आवडतात. सो वी हॅव लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. त्यामुळे ते आपलं आपलं थोडंसं ठेवलेलं असतं बाजूला. सो दिस आय गॉट फ्रॉम स्पेन.
Okay.
I don't remember the place. I was on a residency in 2007 in Paris for 3 months, and that time I visited Spain, Italy, France, few other parts of France and all, and for a week also in between. And that time I had got this. This is also porcelain one.
Okay. I have never seen porcelain dolls, so this is really a fun, novelty to me. Very happy to see.
And I even have this label also on this. This is 350 euros at that time.
Okay.
And but this was this is a lifetime treat for me. This is also one of my favorites, and I actually wanted to get all of the stock with me.
Mm-hmm.
This I got from Paris, from an African shop near the Picasso Museum. It's when I was coming back from the Picasso Museum, I saw an African shop loaded with their these types of prints, draperies.
Yeah. There is some
And
to these prints also, no? They call it something.
Yes, these prints, I don't know what they call it, but it's very
the different
they have
tribes
very
and different
bold.
areas also. Yeah.
These designs are very bold.
Yeah.
And all these dolls were these dark skinned dolls, and I just loved them. But
it's absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so these other things these are also few of my inspiration. These are from our Egyptian characters.
Right.
But they are beautiful.
Yeah. So, what is the relation between things you make and things you collect? Like, do you use these inspirations in your paintings or things you are making, or nothing like that?
Sometimes it comes into my paintings, but not in real form. These are a part of my happiness. I like to collect things. I have traveled towards south of India also a lot, and normally I collect brass items from there. I like to collect brass things also,
Okay.
and
So what
much
is
of the things
main work
are
you want to do or you pursue in your as a career or as a profession as an artist?
hmm,
Or
mainly I'm a painter.
okay, mainly
Mainly I'm a painter, and most of the things I started with what if it inspired me, I thought of learning it, and then later if I could, I converted it into uh, my creativity. For enamel and metals also, I have exhibited it. I have did a few commercial works on it also, but mainly painting is the main part of my profession.
okay.
And dolls is just this, for this summers I started again doing few things in this, and I liked it, and people also liked us to watch these things. And actually we don't have here my paintings at my home.
Okay, that's fine. So you have studio somewhere?
That's why, yes, I have my own studio, I work there, but nowadays I have just
Yeah, we can't go to the studios these days.
yes, that's
Even I'm
why.
not able to go to my studio. Otherwise, I wanted to show a process of my work to viewers in one of the episodes, but
I love your work.
no,
I
we
just
don't
love
have
it.
access to studio. Our studio has gone into contamination zone right now, so we can't go. So
Hmm.
Bhavna, like probably our half an hour is almost over now. If viewers, if you have any questions for Bhavna, please ask so she can answer your questions. And I have few questions until they ask. Like, what is the dream project for you, Bhavna?
No, I have not thought of any of dream. Basically, I every week I see a new dream, and I
Okay.
just let it go. And I had one कविता पण लिहिली होती मी 2-3 महिन्यांपूर्वी. खूप स्वप्न पहावीत. आता माझ्याकडे डायरी नाहीये. खूप स्वप्न पहावीत, आणि त्याच्यामधली काही 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 पूर्ण होत जातात. म्हणजे साधारण 500 स्वप्न पाहिली तर 10 तरी नक्कीच पूर्ण होतात. सो माझं लाईफ हे असं आहे, की हा हे करून पहावं. जमलं तर आपलं, नाही जमलं तर सोडा, असं. अँड आय लाईक टू एन्जॉय लाईफ. म्हणजे माझ्याही लाईफमध्ये स्ट्रगल्स आहेत, प्रत्येकाच्या लाईफमध्ये स्ट्रगल्स असतात. आर्टिस्टच्या लाईफमध्ये जरा जास्त स्ट्रगल्स असतात.
Right. Yeah.
दॅट्स ओके, दॅट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाईफ. आपण तितकंच आपल्या लाईफमध्ये खूप सॅटिस्फॅक्शन ही असतं. सगळं काही मिळू शकत नाही आपल्याला. सो दॅट्स ओके. अँड मी ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट असं एखादं घेऊन नाही बसलेले, पण मला माझ्या रायटिंग्स वरती काही करायचं आहे. आय डोंट नो व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू इट. सध्या पुस्तक लिहिते आहे, काही
Someone is
स्टोरीज
asking
लिहून
what
ठेवलेल्या
is the
आहेत. सो
upcoming.
मे बी
Someone is asking what is the upcoming thing you are doing. Like, what is there in plan now?
in plan now is something related to handicrafts, maybe dolls,
Okay.
and it's combined with nature.
Okay.
The naturopathy which I am learning now, maybe I will combine it with me. So I don't know, not exactly decided. But painting side by side होत राहणार. So the work is not going to stop. आणि जशी जशी the direction I get, I'll just moving through that.
Okay. So nature is something what inspires you more and that you will use
Yes,
as in your
lot.
probably that is.
Nature and positivity, positive thoughts, positive ways of life.
And basically I won't take too much of time of you now, but uh, what type of art you most identify with? म्हणजे like you are pursuing different kind of crafts or arts. तर तू स्वतःला जास्त कुठे आयडेंटिफाय करतेस की this is something what I think as my reflection.
Of course, paintings.
Okay. Are
Paintings
there
मध्ये
any
माझं
subjects which
सगळं
repeat in your paintings?
hmm?
Is there any particular subject which repeats in your paintings?
Yes, it's nature, it's landscape, but landscape I don't do it according to the perspective. I do it as a compositions, and that are my main points which I'm working for years. In between, I did a few shows on insects as a subject also, but
Okay.
it keeps the style remains same. The subject keeps changing after every 2-3 years. Like we get inspired through our lives. As a female, we get inspired more with
Right.
playing various roles. Like earlier I was a mother of one, before that I was just a girl, then a woman, then a mother of one, then a mother of two. So every child also has both of these kids also have inspired me in a different way.
Right. Yes.
I started my series of the Sleeping Beauty when my son was going to be born. He is now 18 years old, and
Okay.
he will be 18 years old now, and he is doing his 12th. And that time I started with the kids, innocent kids in my paintings. And when he was 3 to 4 years old, that that forms, that innocent forms started vanishing, and I joined nature as a part, the main part in my on my canvases. आणि आता असं झालेलं आहे, आता थोडंसं मिक्सअप होत आहे. अँड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस गर्ल मी जास्त मला माझं चाइल्डहुड जास्त अजून पुढे 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 सरकून मी जशी होते ना पूर्वी इन 5th-6th स्टँडर्ड, मी तशी काहीतरी करायला लागले आहे. सो पेंटिंग सुरू असतातच, पण ह्याच्याकडे पण मी खेचली जाते, हँडीक्राफ्ट कडे.
That's nice. I mean, and you're enjoying your own childhood also again with her. That's really nice. We are excited to see you what handicrafts you make in future.
Sure.
And a lot of people have said given you best pieces for your work. So I think now it's a time to wind up. We will wind it up. Is there anything you want to tell us or you want to ask me?
Mm, I would like to see more of your works. I would like to collect more of your jewelry pieces. I love them. I have seen your works and all. I love them.
Thank you for
Um,
that compliment, and I'm
yes,
sure you will
and that
collect a lot of them.
that reminded me of two of my shows in 2009 to 2011, with huge canvases with Madhumakhi and the beetles and the ants, and your works your jewelry of that bugs and all reminded me.
Yes, we did the series on insects. You also said that. Fantastic. So it was really fun talking to you, Bhavna, and I'm very happy you joined us. I'm happy people could see some of your work, and
Yeah.
you will be able to see the comments after you go back. After this session is over. So this will be uploaded. The video will be uploaded on Moha page, and you will be able to see the comments as well.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so please go and check them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you, Bhavna. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.